Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x raised to the power 2000 plus x raised to the power 2001? So let's start. Look at the given information. This is the x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now in the first step, we multiply this equation by x minus 1 on both sides. So this is a x square plus x plus 1. It's equal to 0. Multiply this side by x minus 1 and also multiply this side by x minus 1. 0 multiplied by x minus 1 is just 0. And look at the left hand side. This will become a formula, and we know that a cube, this b cube, this is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus b square plus ab. So using this identity on left hand side, look at this. In this case, a it's equal to x and b it's equal to 1. So this implies using this identity we write this as a x cube minus 1 cube. It's equal to 0. And 1 cube is just 1, so we write this as a x cube minus 1 it's equal to 0. Now in the next step, if we add a 1 on both sides of this equation, so this will become a x cube it's equal to 1. So we get the value of x cube, which is 1. Now we find the value of x raised to the power 2000 plus x raised to the power 2001. So in the next step, we want to split this value in cubic form because we know the value of x cube. So for that, look at this. We write this x raised to the power 2000 as a x raised to the power 3 times 666 plus 2, and we write this second term x raised to the power 2001 as a x raised to the power 3 times 667. If we multiply this, then we get a 2001. And in the next step, we use the property of exponent, which is a raised to the power n plus m. We write this as a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power n. So using this property in above expression, so we write this as a x raised to the power 3 times 666 multiply x square plus we write this as a x raised to the power 3 times 667. Now in the next step, we use another property of exponent, which is a raised to the power n multiply m. We write this as a raised to the power n multiply m. So we write this as a x cube multiply 666, and this is a x square plus we write this term as a x cube multiply 667. And we know that x cube is 1, so we write here a 1 raised to the power 666. This is a x square plus we write this as a 1 raised to the power 667. So 1 raised to the power 666 is just 1, so multiply this 1 by x square, we get a x square plus 1 raised to the power 667 is 1. So this implies x raised to the power 2000 plus x raised to the power 2001 it's equal to x square plus 1. And our given information is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now subtract x on both sides of this equation. So this will become a x square plus 1 is equal to minus x. So this implies x square plus 1 is equal to minus x. So we write here minus x. So this implies x raised to the power 2000 plus x raised to the power 2001. This is equal to minus x. So we have done. Thank you.